extra time.
बीच के सेशन में बॉल इतना हार्ड नहीं था, तो विकेट से वो पेस जनरेट करना मुश्किल हो जाता है एक बॉलर के लिए। और जब विकेट 5वें दिन पहुंच जाता है तो वैसे ही पेस कम होता रहता है। तो बाद में नए बॉल से हमने ट्राई किया, एक दो विकेट मिले, लेकिन वो बीच का जो सेशन था वहाँ पे आई थिंक बॉल का जो हार्डनेस था वो आप एक फैक्टर कह सकते हैं, वरना मैं उनकी एफर्ट से कोई क्रेडिट नहीं लेना चाहता। See, Saha's knock was again brilliant for us. He's always stood up when the team needs him, and this game was no different. His partnership with Pujara is the reason that we, had a go at winning this Test match, and a lot of credit goes to him also. Again, not been mentioned too much, but he deserves a lot of credit. He's one guy who's always willing to do anything for the team. Wherever we ask him to bat, he bats. He has no problems in batting, after Ashwin, before Ashwin, whenever we want him to do it. He plays any kind of role, positive, defensive, whatever we ask him to do, he never says no. So you really, really feel glad for a guy like that who's willing to do anything for the team and put his best foot forward. And as I said, I'm really happy that he performed in a big pressure match in a difficult situation and put us in a position to have a shot at winning the game. जडेजा की बॉलिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग थी। ये मैच में सब बॉलर्स ने बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग करी, बट जडेजा मेरे हिसाब से स्टैंड आउट होते हैं, क्योंकि उनका इकॉनमी अगर आप देखें इस विकेट के हिसाब से बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाई क्लास बॉलिंग करी उन्होंने, और बताया कि वो नंबर 1 बॉलर क्यों जॉइंट हो गए हैं अश्विन के साथ। Obviously, you have to understand where the game is placed and what bowlers you want to use. Whenever Jadeja came on to bowl, he picked up a wicket or two every 3-4 overs, and it was very difficult to change him at that stage because he was bowling in good momentum. So I think that was one of the factors. And in the second innings, he bowled quite a few overs. We used him from both ends, but as you saw, it was difficult for the bowlers to generate much from the pitch. Jadeja, you can leave him aside in this game because he really stood apart among all the bowlers. But I think in general, the bowlers found it difficult to make things happen from the center of the wicket. And the key was to keep trying. And that's what Ashwin always does, and he put his best effort in both the innings. Shami also, we sent him to play because we saw him bowling 10-12 overs in a go, and we wanted to give him some match practice. So I don't know, I haven't spoken to the selectors still. All kinds of possibilities, approaching the next test.